Hello everyone. So what is a time type? Time type is basically like a base type, but however, base type contains three field amount, number, rate, and time contains only one field that is HRS, which is used to store balance, hours, or number. So we create the time type in the table T55B underscore T555A. Okay, and how in the table B underscore T559E we basically store the base entitlement allocated to the absence quota type. So under the entitlement, we can use the fields like day balance or period balance to store the quota. And here, basically, we specify the time type in which the quota will get stored. So we can generate the absence quota based on day balance or a period balance. Period balance is like basically if you want to store the balance based on month, year, or month, week, or year, we can maintain our time type here. And during quota generation, the balance will get stored in the Salado table for the period balance. Similarly, if you want to store the balance based on day balance, it will get stored in the table JDS. So a time type is a grouping of times according to various aspects such as payment, regulation, intercompany requirement, control tasks. A time type assigns a meaning to a time to the balance formed in time evaluation are posted to the time types. So basically, during the time evaluation, the balance which is uh, getting created based on day or month or weekly or yearly basis, it gets stored in the time. When we customize, you can define each time type whether it should be transferred to the day or period totals. It should be taken over from the previous period year. It should be transferred to the cluster V1. So if you enter a time type in this field day balance, the system uses the base enter from the this is for a period balance. If you maintain the type time in the period balance, then it will store the amount specified in the period base entitlement from the amount specified in the rather than the direct value. This allows you to store details rule for determining a base entitlement in a personal calculation. Similarly, for day balance, the balance will get stored in the based on the day.